Hi guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see first impression and unboxing of Mama Earth Onion Hair Mask. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to us and click that like button. Click that subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. This is the second product of Mama Earth which I'll be reviewing on my channel. So without wasting any time, let's start. So today I have Mama Earth Onion Hair Mask with onion oil and organic bamboo vinegar. You will able to see picture of bamboo as well as onion on the packaging. The net weight of this product is 200 gram and it's completely a vegetarian product as you can see a green dot over here. This product is completely paraben and silicone free and it's dermatologically tested with bioactive. Now let's see what they have given on the red side of packaging. Over here they have given that it's plastic positive. We recycle more plastic than we use. So basically how much plastic they use, more than that they recycle plastic. Product is marketed by Onasa Consumer Private Limited, Siddhartha House, plot number 6, sector 44, Gurugram, Haryana, India. If you have any queries about the product, then you can contact to Customer Care Manager, Onasa Consumer Private Limited, Siddhartha House. Plot number 6, Sector 44, Gurugram, Haryana, India. They have even mentioned their contact number over here. You can directly contact to them on this number or even you can write email to them. This product is manufactured by Capco International Limited, Plot 11, Sector 3, Parwano, Himachal Pradesh, India. They have mentioned batch number. Manufacturing date is January 2021 and its expiry date is December 2022. The MRP of this product is 599. But this product costed me 449 rupees only. I already told you the net content of this product is 200 gram. Let's see what they have given on the right side of packaging. On the right side they have given that it controls hair fall, detangles hair suitable for treated hair. They have mentioned the key ingredient of this product. You can pause this video and read it out. They have mentioned that product contain natural ingredient and may change color and fragrance without losing effectiveness. Even natural ingredient can cause and trigger existing allergies. Patch test recommended. Results may vary. Store in cool and dry place for external use only. Before applying this hair mask, you have to do patch test. If you are allergic to any of the ingredient which they have mentioned in the ingredient list, then you have to be careful. Now let's see what they have given on the left side of the packaging. They have given directions for use. Part your hair in two halves. Take a palm full of hair mask and apply adequate quantity to wet hair and scalp. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off with sulfate-free shampoo. For best result, use 2 to 3 times a week. So basically, first you have to wet your hair and then you have to take this hair mask on your palm and with the help of fingertips, you have to apply it on your scalp. Tips for reducing hair fall. Massage your scalp with fingertips to increase circulation of blood. Eat fruits rich in protein and biotin like eggs, berries, etc. Avoid brushing or combing wet hair. So basically, they have given some tips for reducing hair fall. Besides this, you can eat nuts like almonds, walnuts, and much more. Who is it suitable for? Men and women of all ages. Dry, damaged, colored, and chemically treated hair. Suitable for all hair types, especially curly hair. It doesn't matter if your hairs are straight. You can apply this hair mask. If you look at the packaging, then they have used quite attractive colors for the packaging. I like packaging very well of this product. The upper part of the product, they have given the name of the product Mama Earth Onion Hair Mask with onion oil and organic bamboo vinegar. Now it's time to unbox this product. Whatever is mentioned on the packaging, same things they have mentioned it over here. Now I'm going to open this product for you. This is how products looks from inside. If you ask me smell of this product, then it's really good. If you look at the quantity, then according to me, the price is really good. But for that I have to apply it first. Soon we are going to come up with the Mama Earth Onion Hair Mask review. For that you have to wait. Till that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to share your views with us in the comment section below. That's all in this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.